Hi everybody, I am back. I know I've kind of been absent. I promise I will be doing my best to bring you more content, but today I am showing you a bright, simple, it's so simple, look for you to try out, obviously using all Mary Kay products. If anybody knows me, they know that that's kind of my motto as a busy mom and a woman who is running a business. I need something quick and easy and busy, but that I still sort of have it together. Sort of. I'm not saying I have it all together. See some decorations in the background. My daughter just had her 7th birthday, so excuse those, or just, I'm celebrating you too. So, all right, you guys, if you want to see how to get this really super simple look, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so first up, I'm going to prime before I paint. For those of you that know me, I like to call this crack filler. Spackle before we paint. So I'm just putting some in the palm of my hand and I'm putting it all over my face. This has your SPF in it, which I really love. I love layering SPFs. I'm all about not getting skin cancer. I don't know why you wouldn't be not all about that. Moving on to CC cream. It's my baby. I just love this product. It is complexion correcting, so it has SPF in it. There's that SPF again. Gives you a tint of color. It has antioxidants. It's just very, very good for your skin and just evens out the skin tone. You will rarely see me in anything but this. I don't like a heavy foundation. It's just not who I am. It's not my lifestyle. It's not the look I'm typically going for. If that's you, I love it. That's awesome. Go for it. I'm going in with my liquid foundation brush and I am going to stipple it on. Next, I'm going in with under eye corrector, which will help offset dark under eye circles. I'm anemic. I struggle with this. It is what it is. And blend it in. I'm just going to use my ring finger to blend it in. Anytime you're working around the eye, just use your ring finger if you are using your finger, because it's the weakest finger that you have and you do not want to tear and tug at this eye area. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, just a little hot tip for you. Sometimes if I want just a little bit of added coverage, I'm going to go back in with my mineral foundation, which mine is a beige 0.5. Go back over your, like I'm using it over my CC cream just for a little bit of extra coverage. It's going to like add a layer of coverage without feeling heavy and that I want to like claw my face off. And you can still use this particular, even though it's the liquid foundation brush, you can still use it because these are synthetic, so they can be used wet or dry. It doesn't really matter. So. And then I'm just gonna go in with translucent powder and dust a layer. Sets it so it doesn't, crease, especially around that eye area. Well, I'm gonna move to cheek color next. And I really like this particular color. It's called Kind Heart. It has been discontinued, so I'm sorry to be doing that to you, but I don't know, maybe you can find it with your consultant. Maybe she grabbed 567 of them like I did because it's like my favorite thing on earth. And anytime you're doing blush, just smile. And put it on the apples of your cheeks. You can't be cranky when you're doing blush because you always smile. Apples. Apples. This is the most gorgeous color. It's the most gorgeous color. I am so obsessed with it. I won't even sell you any because I will not give them away. Another great alternative for this would be Shy Blush, which is another beautiful mineral cheek color that we have in our repertoire. So you may want to try that one out instead. But you can't have my Kind Heart. Okay, I am gonna set this, just kind of my first layer setting. This is our finishing spray, Scandinavia, Mary Kay, Dream Team. It's awesome, sets and holds your look for 16 hours. I like that it just sets my base. Okay, so now I'm going to move into the eye portion. You guys, this is such a super easy look. You're gonna be like, that's it? It is, really, that's it. So I'm gonna use my ring finger and I'm gonna apply Beach Blonde Cream Eyeshadow on my lid all the way up to my eyebrow bone. And you will not look like Mimi from Drew Carey. That might have just aged me if you don't know who that is. But you won't look crazy. This is waterproof, smudge proof, crease proof, life proof. I don't know, it's everything proof, drama proof. And you just go ahead and put it on. It goes on cream, dries to powder, and you can do a mineral color over top, which I'm going to do. This is one of my must-haves. If you don't have this, you need to go get it, okay? Right now, when you're done, go get it, okay? Promise me that. Okay, good. I am just applying this with a ring finger. I always thought that I was like crazy for doing this, or lazy, crazy lazy. But I just saw a makeup tutorial by Kylie Jenner. Not that she's the end-all be-all of makeup, but she uses her ring finger too. And Chica's gonna be the youngest billionaire, female billionaire ever. So if she can do it, I can do it. Isn't that beautiful? I just love that. And it just, boom, boom, brightens. This whole look is about brightening, right? So my eyes have just automatically gone, look, she got 10 hours of sleep when I didn't. The other really quick tip I want to tell you with this, go ahead and run it on the tops of your cheekbones. It's a highlighter. Like, you can use this for highlighting. Look at that. I love twofers. Who doesn't love a good twofer? 2-for-1. Highlighter, eyeshadow, base, a little bit on your Cupid's bow. Isn't that fun? Look at, see? Isn't that cool? I love it. 2-for-1. Get that. Go get this. Remember, you promised me you would. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm taking the color Honey Spice. I am putting this just on my eyelids. I'm not even doing a crease color, you guys. Like, this is simple, okay? Simple. Don't be coming here if you want complicated, most complicated 25 eyeshadow look. It's not happening. Not on this channel. It probably will never happen on this channel. So I am going over top of that base that I put on. So we're just going to dust this. And what this is doing is brightening a little bit more even. And get that inner corner. Inner corners are life. If you do not have a bright inner corner of your eye, it does not matter what you do. Everything else could be a strobe light, but if you miss the inner corner of your eye, you will look still like, you know, a corpse. You can see this is just this beautiful kind of shimmery, not like sparkle. You're not getting a ton of sparkle fallout. There's nothing worse. This is just a shimmery, beautiful, brightening color. Like I said, it's called Honey Spice. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on my eyeliner. But for this look, it's pretty gentle. It's pretty soft. It's pretty simple. And so I'm only lining from here out. And I'm not even going to do underneath, just the top, okay? Next, what I'm doing is what I call the mascara a-thon. I use 3 different ones. First, I prime my eyelashes. It's clear, so don't expect to see anything. Sometimes people are like, I don't see anything. A lot of them are white. Ours is clear, just so you know. Sometimes I mix it up between Lash Intensity and Ultimate. They both give you mega volume, but I've kind of been on an Ultimate kick again, so I'm gonna do the Ultimate. What a difference mascara makes, right? Okay, the last one I use is Lash Love Lengthening. I just love this one, Lash Love Lengthening. It's got this like kind of hooked wand, and it's got very comby kind of brush, so I get lots of definition. And I'm gonna just dab underneath as well. Total preference. So the last step here is to do a little lip color. And the lip color that I'm going with is called Always Apricot. It's one of our semi-matte looks. It is such a pretty color, and I love it for the summer. See how simple that is? And that this color just adds a little bit of warmth. It really ties it all together. I really like it, and it wears and wears. It is not like one of those lipsticks that is on until you die and will stay on through your death. The #1 ingredient isn't alcohol, so it does not dry out your lips like that. It's a semi-matte, so it's not quite so drying. Okay, and then the last step that I'm going to do is I am going to spray some more finishing spray just to kind of set and hold the look. And I do just want to say, for the record, before I came on, I had filled my eyebrows with Espresso mineral eyeshadow. I use a mineral eyeshadow. Again, you know, I like a good twofer, so it's a color I use often in my crease, and then I also use it in my eyebrows, and it seems to work pretty well for me. Okay, so that is it. I hope that you like the look. I hope that you find you get a nice glow and that it brightens your skin and your overall appearance. And if you have any questions about it, please feel free to comment below. Please be kind and give this a like. Make sure you subscribe. Like I said, I'm going to try to have more content coming your way in the coming months. And yeah, I just hope that you all have an absolutely fabulous day. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you all soon. Bye.